Sahara night, Sahara night. Spirit of the sins, I'm vast and empty land where no one belongs. When the blue gets dark, the fading lights between moon and sun. In the desert fields, a fever so high makes me wanna shout. Sahara night. Listen to the wind ringing to your ears, music from afar. You may hear the sounds of a tribal dance coming from the heights. In the desert field.
Yan, nawala to section.
And greet Jeremy, kasi birthday niya ngayon, ha? Okay? So, let's start with Ate Azneza. Tanungin natin si Ate Lynn. Question and answer mo para malaman nila kung sino, anong pangalan mo, sa nag-aaral, yun. Okay? Ate, do you go to school?
Yes,
What school are you in?
grade 1.
What school?
Horizon.
San Horizon Hotel? Saan kayo sa may Bonnie? Saan?
Greenwood.
Greenwoods. Okay. So, what grade are you in?
Grade 1.
Grade 1. Okay. How young are you?
Basta nagbibila yung counter, okay na yun.
What grade are you?
6.
Grade 6? Ay, grade 6? Kinder 2. Okay. I'm sure. 6 years old ka na. Is that what you mean?
6 years
6
old.
years old. Okay. Sino kasama mo ngayon? Where's mom and dad?
Play.
Well, raise your hand. Mommy, daddy. Ayun. Kala ko naman. Gusto si daddy.
Sige sa camera.
The Chinese school siya nag-aaral. Okay. May lahi bang Chinese, mami? Wala naman. Okay. May brother?
Kailan dahan-dahan pa lang galaw mo rito eh.
Okay, thank you. And Ate Bea, come here.
Nag-ano ba? Nag-ano?
Ate Bea, do you go to school?
Yes.
What school are you in?
Hindi ka, hindi ka pa sumato.
Ah?
Sumato.
MTC.
NTC. Saan yung NTC?
Lapo. Manila.
Okay. What grade are you in?
6.
Grade 1. How young are you?
6 years old.
6 years old, okay. Asan si Mami siya si Daddy?
Hello po.
Hello po. Okay, thank you. Si Ate Paula. Ate Paula, come here. Ate Paula, how are you? You go to school?
Yes.
What school?
San Sebastian.
Saan po?
San Sebastian.
San Sebastian. Saan yung San Sebastian? Saan? Pinagbuhatan Pasig. Okay. Anong grade ka na doon, ate? Prep. Ah, laki niyang prep, oh. Prep po siya? Asan si Mami tsaka si Daddy? Ano, okay. Laki niyang prep. Grabe, Miss Universe yung balang araw. Thank you, ate, ah. Ay, Kuya BJ. Ayan, Kuya BJ. Ah, kuya mo. Okay. Kuya BJ, nag-aaral na ba?
Opo.
Saan po?
San Sebastian.
Okay, schoolmate, sigurado. Ay, kuya mo. Okay, ilang taon ka na?
6.
Okay, grade, ano ka na dyan sa school?
Grade 1.
Grade 1, laki rin. Grabe. Basketball player ito paglaki. Thank you. Kuya Felix, come here. Ayan, si Kuya Felix. Kuya Felix, how are you, Kuya Felix? You're fine. Okay. Nag-aaral na, Kuya Felix? Saan po?
Secret Heart.
Sacred Heart. Okay. Anong grade ka na doon?
Kinder 1.
Kinder 1. Okay. How young are you here?
4.
4 years old. Okay. Do you have brothers and sisters here today? None? Okay. Where's mom and dad? Ah, si mami, tsaka si daddy. Mami ni Nia. Ni Kuya Felix. Si mami. Okay, thank you. Kuya Nia. Kuya Nia, mukhang may kumukha ka. Kuya Nia, sumasali ka ba sa going movie? Kuya, ilan taon ka na, Kuya? Okay, nag-aaral na? Malapit mo na ako maabot, oh. Ano grade ka na?
2. STC.
NBC rin. Okay, lahat mo, Kuya. Pinapabayaan ka ng mother at saka father mo. Ano? Okay, thank you, Kuya. Kuya Ian. Kuya Ian. Kuya mo, di ba? Medyo maliit ka. Pumapayat ka pagkatabi mo siya. Di go to school, Kuya?
STC.
NBC rin. Okay, anong... Saan po? Anong school mo? STC, okay. Anong grade ka na doon?
Grade 1.
Grade 1? Malaki din, no? Grade 1. Ilang taon ka na, Kuya? 6 years old. Okay. Meron ka ba mga kapatid na babae?
Opo.
Kuya Neil mo daw. Kuya mo. Pinsan lang. Sabi mo ano, kuya mo. Okay. Bakit yung payat ka kasi? Basta kung nagtataka ako, hindi mo kuya eh. Ayun. Ate mo. Kapatid mo. Kapatid sila. Okay. Payat ka. Nalulugi ka. Lugi ka, ano? Okay. Thank you. Sino ba? Ate Ring. Ano yung Ate Ring? Sexy ni Ate Ring, no? Ano? Sayo ka mamaya, ha? Kung sipeta to, no? Ate, did you go to school?
Yes.
What school are you in?
Viral Academy.
Okay. What grade are you?
1.
Okay. Who are you with here today?
What?
Who are you today? Your mom and dad?
My dad is on Palawan. My mom is...
Okay, hello. Do you have brothers and sisters here?
Yes.
Where are they?
Mother and daughter.
Okay, just 2. 3 in the family. Okay, thank you. So, let's start this game, okay? We know each other na, di ba? Okay, kasi mamaya we're gonna use that for a game. So, as to start, okay, let's have a little bit energy, okay? Okay, time is up. Okay, sino meron? Naku, pinulit mo na. Hindi, pwede pa rin yan. Okay, we have Kuya Felix. And, ate, name tag mo to eh. Name ni Jeremy. Sige, huwag mo tanggalin. Akala ko na. Ayan, yung Kuya Ian. Ayan, get your prize yung pwede yun. Ayan. Thank you. Okay, so, pwede ko muna yung mga prizes nyo kasi marami kailangan makakuha kayo ng set. Okay? Para magamit nyo sa school o sa bahay. Ate Rain, Ate Paula, Ate Bea, Ate Charles, sino ang partner nila? Ayan, mukhang ang lalaki nila. Lugi yata. Ayaw niyo maghiwalay. Okay, mga friends talaga sila. Ayan, okay. Sige. Okay, ready? Dito ka ate, dito kayo ate. Team dito Ayan. So, team A, team B. Okay? Kuya Felix, dito ka sa kanila niya, ate Bea. Okay, so ready? Set! Tingnan mabuti yung mga words ha. Go! Pwede nyo pong ilagay sa sarili yung mga letters para madali nyo makita. Go! Put it on the floor. You put the letters on the floor. You have to write these words. Happy birthday, Jeremy. Wrong spelling, wrong ha? Huwag niyo pong ikalat yung letters para huwag mawala kasi limited lang po yan. Oh, take a look. You have to choose a leader. Kuya Nia, ikaw yung leader dyan. You direct your team. O ate, give space. Ilagay niyo sa side ate. Ayan, para madali niyo makita yung letter. Sige na ate. Ilagay niyo sa side. Ayan. First word is happy. Okay, meron na po yung team A. May word na po ng happy. Next word is birthday. Ate, check mo to. Happy birthday, Jeremy. Okay, kailangan mabilis ha. Mabilis po ito. Check niyo yung words. Yung spelling ng words. Check, ito yung spelling. Okay, nakuha na ng team B yung happy. Next word, go. Ayan. Mahabol yung team B. Okay, remind you when you're done, you have to say the magic word, happy birthday, Jeremy. Pagtapos na po kayo. Okay, nakuha na po ng team A yung second word. Next word will be Jeremy, our birthday server's name. Double time. Okay, double time. Double time. Double time. Remember, you have to say the magic words. It's happy birthday, Ate Char. Oh, get your first from Kuya June. Ate Char, pakilagay na lang po yung letters sa box. Ayan. Don't worry, next time. May isa pa tayong game. Ayan, this time, kailangan manalo yung team B, ha? Yung team ni Ate Bea. Okay, same team. Okay, same team para makabawi yung team niya. Ay, hahaluin muna natin. Okay. Let's scramble muna natin. Ayan, masyan. Wala ba? Okay. So, ready? As fast as you can, ha? Same magic words sasabihin niyo sa akin. Okay? Ready? Set, go! Double time. I'll give you a hint. You have to do the sides first to form the puzzle. Side muna, sides. Mga sides. Teamwork. Kailangan merong leader. Yung isa yung magdaderet. O Kuya Neil, huwag mong higaan yan. Hindi nila makita. Muna yung sa gilid, Kuya Neil, yung dito, sa side. Yung mga sides muna. Ayan. O yung mga girls, kailangan makabawi ngayon, ha? Huwag niyo nang buluhin kapag na-set na. Unahin muna atin sa gilid. Ayan. Sides muna, sides. Ayan. Na-sides muna. Double time. O, teamwork. Yan, okay, diba? Kaya sa lahat, merong chance na manalo. Okay? Everybody has a chance to win. Okay? Hello! Welcome to Jeremy's birthday. Tuloy po kayo. Ayan. Who just came can join us. Okay. So ready? Okay. So guys, listen very carefully, ah. I'm gonna ask you something or things for you to find and you bring it to me as fast as you can. Okay, ready? Ate Rain? Okay. Since it's rainy day, you have to bring this. Okay? I want you to bring me an umbrella. Go! 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Wala ang umbrella. Dito ang umbrella. Okay, we have one. Ate Rain. Okay. Yan si Ate Jam. Ayan. Look at your place from Kuya Jun. Ayan. Thank you. Congratulations. Okay. Oh, you put it aside first. Okay, next. Okay, since it's second birthday. Okay, since second birthday ni Ate Jeremy, I want you to bring me anything that has number 2. Go! 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time is up. Okay, we have, what is this? Credit card? Credit card? What's this? A 6. 7. Ate Paula.
7.
Kaya.
Kuya Ian.
7.
About you, Kuya DJ.
7.
Kuya Felix.
7.
Kanina 5. 7. Sure kayo na 7? Ha? Are you sure? Okay. Now, who can give me the exact 7 colors found in rainbow? A special prize will be given. Raise your hand. Ate. No coaching, please. Okay? Kasi special prize to. How about you, Ate Belle? Put your name tag. Yan. Okay. Louder, ah. No coaching, ah. You'll be given a chance to win. Okay? Ready?
Red. Blue. White. Pink. Red. Violet.
Okay.
Blue.
Okay. You said 6. Okay? 6 lang. Actually, may dalawa siya na-mention na hindi kasama sa 7 color. Okay? How about you, sorry. Ito ring. Okay, let's try.
Red. Indigo.
Oh, tagal ko yung mo.
Violet.
Hello.
4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. You try to recall, okay? Another. Let's try. Yan yun. Sabi mo na 7. Okay, let's try. Okay, go.
Green. Red. Violet. White. White. Blue.
Wala nang white. Wala nang white. Last one. Okay, last one. Sasabihin ko na pag hindi tama. Go. Sino? Ate, baliktad yung name. Paula. Okay, let's try Ate Paula. Pag hindi nakuha ni Ate Paula, sige, sasabihin ko na.
Red. Blue. Yellow.
Okay, 7 colors found in rainbow are, it's Roy G. Beef. Madali lang, di ba? Roy G. Beef. Okay, para madaling matandaan. It's red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. So, walang white, tsaka pink, di ba? Naku, walang nakakuha ng ano. Di ba, don't worry, hindi pa yun ang ano natin, yung game talaga natin. Ang game natin is ganito. Di-divide namin kayo ulit sa dalawa. Okay, Kuya Jun? Sino partner? Same partner? Ha? Same partner? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, go. Kuya Jun? Okay. Kuya Jun, 16 ba yan? 16? Okay, ready? 1. 1 for the full chat. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 for the crayon, 8 for the napkin, 9, 10, 10 for the green, 11, 12 for the bag, 13 for the plastic, 14 for the gift. Okay, we counted that already. 15 for the pencil, 16 for the wallet, 17 for the sticker, 18, 19, 20, wow, 20, ay, di pa lang ang natin girls. 13, 12, 14, 15, ate, sa list natin. 16, 2, 4, 6, okay, get a pair, just one pair. One pair, go get your partner. Partner, go, 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 go. Okay, first, second, go get one muna, ayan mo si Kuya Jun, Kuya Jun. Don't bite yet, ha? Ay, hindi siya kasali. Okay, sorry. Sorry, ate. Go get your partners. Go get your partner na lang. Get a partner. Get a partner. Not yet. Don't bite yet. Don't bite. Don't bite yet. Oh, come here. Ate, come here. And come here. Not yet, not yet. Sali ka sa amin natin ngayon. Oh, get a slice of pizza. Don't bite yet, not yet. Just hold your pizza. Wait for my signal. Ayan, hold your pizza. Just hold your pizza. No more? No more? O, sige, Kuya Jun. Meron na yata siyang slice, no? O, sali ka, Kuya Jun, no? Meron tayong isang team yung nawala. Okay? Ah, not yet, not yet, not yet. Okay, ready, set, go! Ako, gutom na ng mga to. Go, go, go. Kailangan ng pizza. Busin niyo po yung pizza. As fast as you can. Kailangan walang laman yung bibig. Okay? Walang laman yung bibig. After that, you have to say the magic word. This time, not happy birthday, Jeremy, but it's I love Pizza Hut. Okay? Ako, Kuya Neil. Luging-lugi na. Wala na. Wala na. Sige, Kuya Neil. Wala na. Karir mo na yan. I-karir mo na. Wala. Just raise your hands kapag tapos na. Kailangan both partner isubos yung pizza. Pag hindi kaya ng isang partner, kailangan ubusin ng isang partner. Double time! Kuya Neil! Just raise your hand kapag wala ng pizza, ubos na ha? And say the magic word, I love Pizza Hut. Kuya, may laman pa po. Si Ate Aliano meron pa. Kailangan both, yung partner dapat ubos din. Meron tayong tubig dito. Asa yung partner nyo? Raise your hand. Okay, kailangan wala nang laman. Kuya, asa yung partner mo? Sino? Sino? Kuya, wala oh. Meron pa. Go, go, go. Kuya, sino yung partner mo? Partner? Oh, meron pa. Konti na lang. 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 Pizza Hut. I love Pizza Hut.
I love Pizza Hut.
Okay, we have a winner. Siyempre, go get your push figurine. Congratulations. Woo! Nako, sabi ko na nga ba eh. Nako, parang ano lang.
Busing ko na.
Dahan-dahan lang. Kailangan hindi mabilis ang galaw.
Ito mga wala pa kinakain. Tuwa bunso.
Nagawa ka na rin ng lalaki.
Si Dudes.
Wala sa Palawan.
Articulate anak mo ah, mana sa mami ah. Hindi, yung... Sa atin ba to? Ito.
Ano yan?
Ha?
Ano yan? Ano ba yan?
Ha? Oh, totoo na to, totoo na.
Buti ang bilis mo. Buti ang bilis mo. Magaling. Agad. Buti walang traffic.
Oh. Uy, si Uncle Frank. Uncle Frank. Mukha pa matanda sa akin ah. Nangyari sa'yo? Sino to? Ha?
Takot ako sa ganyan.
kandidato. So,
Uy, ba't napakala kayo, ha?
oo. Alis na kami. Hello. Tayo. Ito tayo sa Millionaria. Ah. Ito. Ah, laking bata, oh. Isang buo. Hello. Sino sila? Ah, lumayat ka. Ha? Alis na ako bukas eh. Nagsha-shadow. Nagsha-shadow sa'yo. Ayaw. Ito mo na ako.
Naglalaro sa kita, sa dati. Although, yung laro naman na yun, practice lang. Hindi pa natin sila kalaman ng gusto ng podcast. Nating magpa-practice.
Wala pa kayong kuha eh. Ha? Ano na? Ay, ganito rin yung tsura na. Na-late na kasi yung creative eh. Oo. Video na siya. Ha?
You can have your camera ready. And the picture takes like a piece of pooch. Ayan. O, post na yung piece of pooch. Nasaan yung camera? Hala, hala. Oh, huwag niyo itulas yung pizza, Pooch. Masakit ang likod niya. Oh, Pooch, asan yung camera? Yun, face the camera, Pooch. Yun. Yan. Okay. Yan. Ano si Jeremy? Oh, Jeremy. Si pizza, Pooch, oh. Yan. Pwede po kayo magpa-picture cake with pizza, Pooch, for souvenir. Pause na kayo, asan na yung mga camera ni Mami tsaka ni Daddy? Ayan. Family picture. Asan yung mga family members? Atin na yun. Dito muna. Okay, face the camera. Ate, face CJ. Face the camera. Okay, Emil. Ayan. Aba. Wow. Buhat ni Pizza Pooch.
Hindi nga daw kasi yung si Jera, kinanda ng pizza po.
Ayan, oh. Oh, look at the camera. Say cheese. Oh, one more, one more. One more. Say cheese. Ayan. Oh, who else? Who else? Iba na yung sa push. Oh, lock the camera. Oh, guys. Oh, lock the camera. Oh, say cheese.
Bakit ka doon?
Oh, picture. One more. One more piece of food. Give us a big, best shot. Yeah. Oh, one more. Yan, okay. Tapos na ba? Yung mga... Tapos na yung picture ladies? Oh, it's time naman for... Okay, candle blowing. Kasi si Visa Push. Yan, dito na lang po tayo.
Nako, sandali.
Yan, si Push dito sa...
Huwag kayo magtulakan.
Yan, at siya si Jeremy, dito malapit sa candle. Okay?
Ate, dito ka. Ate, sabi ni mami, dito.
Hindi, oh. Tama. Hindi, okay lang. Yan.
Okay, ready ah? Let's sing happy birthday ah? Ready? Louder ha? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. One more. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Okay, make a wish, then blow the candle. Blow. Okay, palakpakan po natin si Ate Jeremy. Happy birthday! Siyempre, may magbubuo yung birthday party na kung walang wish ni Mami Johnny Daddy.
Long life and happiness.
Si Mami, same na rin. Okay, siyempre, hindi ako pizza at support meron kaming gift para kay Jeremy. Yan, reading book. Okay, thank you. Siyempre, meron tayong pabitin, di ba? Ayan, so move backwards! Move backwards! We need a chair with you. Asa na yung ating tagahawa?
Hindi ko naabot.
Sira na yung microphone ko. Napakan yata yung mukha ko. Ano, biglang nawala ang surat lang ako ah. Baka nakapagsabi ng ready na ubus na. Oh, sige. Eto pa. Oh, one line. Kasi mamimigay ko nila ng loot bags. One line. Oh, palo ko dito. Okay, dito. Kuya BJ. Yan. Ate, dito ka. Yan. One line. Si Mami, upo na lang si Mami. Yan. Si Mami mamimigay ng loot bag. Oh, one line. Oh, straight line. Straight line. Ate, dito. Okay, thank you. Okay, go get your loot bag.
Happy birthday!
Okay, thank you. Okay, go get your loot bag. Okay, can go now. Ate.
Happy birthday, Jeremy!
Okay. Thank you. Okay.
Happy birthday, Jeremy!
Okay, okay, yes, we go with you na.
Birthday!
Okay, thank you.
Happy birthday!
Thank you.
Happy birthday!
Thank you.
Happy birthday!
Thank you.
Happy birthday!
Thank you.
Happy birthday, Jeremy!
Thank you, Ate.
Happy birthday!
Thank you, Kuya Felix.
Happy birthday!
Thank you, Kuya Ate Maggie.
Happy birthday!
Ako yan yung sige. Thank you.
Happy birthday!
Thank you, Kuya Ayan. Thank you, ate. Okay, thank you. Ate Min. Thank you. Thank you, Ate Nika. Thank you, Nanya. Thank you. Thank you. Happy birthday. Thank you. Okay, thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Get your book back. Okay, sige. Ate, kulang. Okay, thank you. Kuya Dave. Thank you. Ah, cute-cute niya ako yan. Okay, happy birthday. Thank you. I'll go get your book back. Happy Cat Cat.
Happy birthday.
Dalawa daw kay Kuya.
Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Happy birthday.
Thank you. Well, meron na lahat. Good vibes. Sino pa wala? Si Kuya. Si Mami, si Daddy sa bahay. Wala? Wala na? Okay, lahat may good vibes na? Okay, so it's time na for raffle. Kanina, di ba pinapilaban ko kanina yung face mask. So si Mami na lang buburo sa raffle natin. Okay? Tingnan natin kung sino mananalo. Asan si Kuya Charles? Si Kuya Charles, asan? Ayun, congratulations. Anong gusto mo? Little Mermaid or Peter Pan? Ah, Peter Pan. Nakala ko Little Mermaid. Mami, isa pa. Let's see kung sino ang mananalo ng Little Mermaid. Kailangan lalaki makakuha. Si Asisa, grabe. Ano gusto mo? Little Mermaid, Peter Pan? Peter Pan gusto mo? Asa na? Oh, Peter Pan. Wow. Oh, one more. Meron pa tayong 4. Si Gwyneth. Ayun, si Ate Gwyneth. Ako, ano na lang, yun na lang. Little Mermaid na lang. Ayan. Okay, thank you. Oh, one more. Meron pa eh, oh. Robin. Si Kuya Robin, nasan?
Don't take your away from me. Don't you leave my heart in misery. If you love
we give our love another try? Come on, baby, let's start anew. 'Cause breaking up is hard to do. 'Cause breaking up is hard to do. Breaking up is hard to do. Thank you. Here's another jukebox queen song. Kailangan may mood, by the way. Pakidim po yung ilaw. Ayan, ayan na yung mood ko. If you go away on this summer day, then you might as well take the sun away. All the birds that fly in the summer sky, when our love was new and our hearts were high, when the day was young and the nights were long, and the moon stood still for the nightbird's song. If you go away, but if you stay, I'll make you a day like no day has been or will be again. I'll sail on the sun, I'll ride on the rain, we'll talk to the trees and worship the wind. But if you go, I'll understand. Leave me just enough love to hold in my hand. If you go away, if you go away, if you go away, if you go away, as I know you must tell the world to stop turning till you return again. If you ever do, for what good is love without loving you? Can I tell you now, as I turn to go, I'd be dying slowly to the next hello. If you go away, if you go away, if you go away. But if you stay, I'll make you a night like no night has been or will be again. I'll sail on your smile, I'll ride on your touch, I'll talk to your eyes that I love so much. But if you go, I won't cry, though the good is gone from the word goodbye. If you go away, if you go away, if you go away, 'cause I know you must. There'll be nothing left in the world to trust. Just an empty room full of empty space, like the empty look you see on your face. I have been a shadow in the dark. If I thought you might get me by yourself, if if you go away. If you go away. Please don't go away. that you just don't see.